Hey y'all, it's Angie. I'm here today to show you how to assemble this pool vacuum. So let's get into the parts. We have 4 pieces here that form your pole. You have a canister that your filter is going to go into. Slides right in here. This is the head of the vacuum while you have it on the pole. This piece allows your poles to attach. This piece also goes to the head, and then you have your motor. You can operate this on a pole or just as a handheld vacuum. To start with, you're going to attach your filter to your motor. And you have tabs on your filter and tabs on your motor. You just pop these in, give it a little twist to lock it into place. Then you'll slide this unit into the plastic case here and fold this down to lock it in place. Line your head attachment up. It can be a little stubborn, so you might have to get a little forceful with it. And then you'll put your head attachment on. This clips right in. The brushes on the bottom of the head attachment here all sweep dirt towards the middle where you'll see the opening. This also pivots to help with cleaning. The red button is your power button. This black piece here is where you'll charge it, and you'll just push this in, plug it into the wall, and let it charge for about 4 hours before you first use it. Insert your handle attachment and then attach each pole. The first pole is labeled, and then you'll just attach the other 3 on top of that to give you a 48-inch pole. Now you can replace these 4 poles with your regular metal pole that you use for other equipment. It'll snap right in as well. Here we have our finished product, and we're ready for use.